Hey kiddos, just wanted to drop in and show you how to do a few new things we're going to be doing on the computer this week. The first thing I want to show you is in your science activities, you might see a new thing called an Edpuzzle. So when you click on it, it's going to give you a little picture. Click right there, and you're just going to play this video. I'm going to turn mine way down. And you're just going to watch the video until it gets to a point where it wants to ask you a question. And it might ask you a multiple choice question, and in that case, it's going to show you if you got the answer right immediately by turning green or red. It might ask you to type something, and when you type something, it's going to send it to me so that I can see what great work you did on answering things in a complete sentence and with your because and your why. So I'm just going to let this play for a second until it gets to the point to where you can see what it's like to answer a question.
We know that weather is a condition of the air or atmosphere on our planet. Severe weather is the same thing, only more extreme. Extreme! But what does that mean? How do you know when weather is severe or extreme and when it isn't? Well, severe weather is any dangerous act of nature that puts people, animals, or buildings at risk. Some light rain probably wouldn't count as severe weather, but a thunderstorm with heavy rain.
So it asks which of these would not be considered severe weather? Small summer shower, hurricane, tornado, flood. If you need to re-watch the video to get the answer, or you can just click the answer and push submit, and it's going to tell you if you got the answer right. So I hope you really enjoy this new way of doing some science, and I hope to see you soon.